Hi, everyone, and welcome back to day 19 of our Creative Devotional series. It is so good to have you here with me again. Our verse for today is Psalm 118, verse 24, and our painting, a decorative painted egg. Now, before you wonder, no, it has nothing to do with Easter, but it has everything to do with joy. So let's dive in. For the sake of time, I've sped up some parts of the video, but you'll still see every step. And of course, you can pause, rewind, or rewatch as many times as you need if you're painting along with me. I've sketched some easy flowy patterns and chosen a few of my favorite colors: turquoise, cherry red, and burgundy. Today I'm using a combination of watercolor paints, watercolor markers, and acrylic markers. As for brushes, I've got my trusty Filbert and a size 2 round brush. Then, of course, we have our clean water and dirty water jars to rinse our brushes. What I love about today's painting is how it shows the magic of color consistency. By simply adjusting how much water you use, the same pigment can look lighter, more transparent, or more bold and opaque. It's a fun way to play with contrast and vibrancy without needing tons of different paints. Plus, adding in a few extra supplies can really make your artwork pop. Now let's take a moment to reflect on today's verse. The Lord has done it this very day. Let us rejoice today and be glad. This verse comes from the final Hallel Psalm, part of a joyful praise tradition in Jewish worship, especially during Passover. Historically, it reminded the people of God's deliverance and His faithful love. Psalm 118 is all about trust, thanksgiving, and celebration. What I love most is the reminder that today is a gift. This very day has been made by the Lord, and we invited to respond with joy, no matter our circumstances. It is not always easy, but joy isn't the same as happiness. It's deeper. And when we remember that God has already done something good today, it lifts our perspective. We can celebrate today because we've been redeemed. Jesus' sacrifice makes each day one we can live with purpose and gladness. If you like to keep that joyful spirit going, I've linked a song by Brandon Lake called Gratitude in the description below. It's a beautiful reminder to live fully in gratitude. Thank you for painting and reflecting with me today. If you're enjoying these creative devotionals and tutorials, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. I will also leave a link to subscribe to our Colourful Faith newsletter. See you tomorrow for day 20. Keep creating and stay joyful.